Let's begin another main topic, which is the writing process. So within this main topic, we will look at different processes which we can, as language teachers, help develop in our students. So this is an introductory module, and in this module, I'll discuss what we mean by the writing process and what we are going to discuss under this main topic. I mean the sub-modules, right? The writing program is important. I mean, it should be designed in such a way that it helps develop, it gives useful input to the students. I mean, the meaningful input to the students. And the writing program should not only be aimed to develop writing skill, but also the other skills. I mean, it should integrate other skills of speaking, listening, and reading as well, because we cannot separate writing with that of reading, speaking, and listening, because writing much depends upon how you get the input. So this is how we will have to take these four skills together, and if we want our students become better writers, especially reading. And there is I mean, considerable research which shows how reading and writing are very much intertwined, and how reading feeds into writing, right? Writing program should be designed in such a way which aims to develop student competencies in the areas of daily life. For example, the student can be given tasks, how to fill in the forms. For example, if they want to apply for a job, they need to know how to fill in the form. For example, a form section may need information to describe personal skills or professional skills. So that specific portion of the form can only be filled if the students are properly trained how to fill in that form. And then making list of the things, or how to write letter for different purposes. For example, how a nurse writes a letter to the doctor, or how a business person writes a letter to the head of a particular market, right? So note taking, how to listen to the lecture and then taking down the notes, and how to do assignments, how to perform well in the written assignments in the university level, right? So this is important, that the writing program does not overlook the significance of other components or other skills. For example, listening, reading, and speaking. We can use listening and reading for writing purposes, because it's through listening and it's through reading that the student get input. So we will discuss in this main topic, the writing process, how these skills can be integrated and can be taken parallel, just to help develop a written proficiency of our students. We will discuss how we can train our student, gather information from various sources, and then we will discuss how to write oral reports in the classroom, and what's the role of the teacher in this regard. And then we will discuss how the student can be trained to write summaries, or the role of gathering information or organizing ideas, and then translating those ideas into written texts, and then reviewing that text and editing that text, and in the light of the feedback which the students receive from their teachers. So in this module, in this main topic, the writing process, we will look at the significance of how to gather ideas and how to organize ideas and how to put ideas into text, and then how to review a particular text and then edit it for constructive purposes.